The dank. All right, hey.
Hey, it's Griffin Sarah, and we're at Bound by Fate.
In Schuylerville, New York.
Is that where we are?
That's where we are.
I'm Batman.
All right, we stumbled across this 250th anniversary. See what we've got. See how many people know the state rule is to stop when people are in the crosswalk. Not many. No one ever knows. Oh, so there's another one. All right, here we go.
We're going to get started. Hello everybody and welcome. So we're going to start off with a cannon firing. This is the cannon that we got named Victory. That's right. We got this cannon named Victory. So you guys can fire it off.
Okay, man, the base. On the bench. Fire! Up here, fire! It's going to be loud.
It's going to be loud. Here we go.
Ready? You got your photos?
The ceremonial removing of the clamp. And here we go. Whoa! General.
So if you have questions about the design, red, white, and blue, the frame is, it's on purpose because we wanted the design to honor the national colors of both the United States and France, and through that, of course, the symbolic role that Lafayette played in our two revolutions. The title of the sign series is General Lafayette. Even though most people know him as the Marquis, there's a reason behind that. It's because he was an aristocrat validating the revolutionary nature of the American Revolution, and so I think in the national memory, people have called him the Marquis de Lafayette to preserve that nobility endorsement. But he wanted himself to be called General because he wanted people to refer to the service in the army for American freedom. So we call him General Lafayette to respect his wishes. And then we have 5 lines of text. We're limited to 27 characters per line. And we basically focus on what the newspapers at the time or private accounts or memoirs are indicating. And in this case, we wanted to focus on the fact that he came here on October 9th, 1784, and that it was part of a short trip of a few months.
Saratoga chapter, the Daughters of the American Revolution, are going to lay a wreath to honor this. Okay, so now we're going to end with
everything, car keys.
It was a great tour.
Cover your ears, everybody. Fire!
It's the word! Word!
Remember, don't knock anything over.
Ooh, and replace your divots.
Yikes.